Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nadernejad Media YouTube channel. My name is Danielle Minja, Communications Officer here at Nadernejad Media Incorporated. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the importance of building an online presence that's positive and reflects you. And I'm also going to be sharing various platforms that you can get started on building that presence. Let's get into the video. If you've watched any of our videos, you've probably heard us talk about the importance of having a positive online presence. But where do you even begin? A big reason why we always love to emphasize the importance of already having an online presence is because we've noticed that if anyone wants to get started on managing their online reputation, it is much easier to deal with negative media that comes about if you already have an online presence to begin with. This is because if you don't have any media that's positive or any sort of media concerning your keyword or your business name or your brand name, then if you get negative media on that first page of Google or Bing or any other search engine, that's going to be the only media related to your name. So we always love to make sure that people have a positive presence that reflects who they are, so that if that negative media does come up, there is a well-rounded perspective on that search engine for people to look up if they choose to search your name or your business name. So now I'm going to be talking about some of the platforms that are quite great for people who are starting to build an online presence and the various types of content that you can produce for each of those sites. If you're trying to build a personal online presence for your career, or you really love talking about content that's related to your industry, a great place to start is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional social media service that connects professionals all across the world and provides a space for socializing within various industries and within a professional setting. If you create a LinkedIn profile, one thing you do want to remember is that you also have to post. If you are posting content on your LinkedIn related to your industry and using various keywords that are related to the things that you are interested in and posting using your name, this can all appear on Google search engines. This can help flood the first page with positive content that you create about yourself. This is a great way to start producing a positive online reputation for yourself, especially if you're interested in focusing on your industry or career. If you want something that's more personal, a great place to start would be Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. All of these social media platforms are very personal, and you can start talking about various different niches such as knitting or swimming or sports. There's various different worlds that are on these platforms, and if you produce content relating to all of these, you can start to build an online presence that reflects your interests. If you are a small business or a company that's trying to diversify its online presence, then a great place to start would be places like Google My Business or a Facebook page, or even a LinkedIn page. These formats allow you to brand your company or your business and to have its own online presence, and these can flood search engines once again with that positive content that you need to get started on having an online presence for your name. And that's it. Few little social media platforms that you can get started on building today to make sure that your online presence is positive. If you need any assistance building these platforms, or if you would like some help with blog writing or any other ways that you can make your online presence more positive, please feel free to book an appointment with our director Nader for your free 30-minute consultation to discuss your online reputation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and we'll make more quick little tip videos like this one in the future. See you next time. Bye.